Physical remotes are basically dinosaurs at this point. They get lost in the couch cushions and the buttons always seem to stick. They just feel clunky compared to the high-end tech we carry in our pockets every day. That is why everyone is moving towards smartphone integration for their personal devices. The Joyhub app is a massive player in this space right now. It claims to offer better control than the actual hardware ever could. We are looking at a system designed specifically to bridge the gap between partners who are miles apart. Long-distance intimacy is incredibly difficult to maintain. Technology is finally catching up to make those moments feel a bit more real and immediate. This app lets you hand over the reins to someone else entirely. They could be sitting right next to you, or they could be halfway across the globe. It does not matter. The connection remains remarkably responsive and snappy. You also get these deep customization features. You are no longer stuck with the basic factory settings that come in the box. You can literally draw or create your own vibration patterns from scratch. You can save your favorite creations. You can even share them with a whole community of other users. It functions like a social network for personalized pleasure. There is even a public chat room if you want to engage with others and share tips. The video integration is where things get really interesting. It syncs the device movements with whatever is happening on the screen during playback. This adds a whole new layer of immersion. It feels much more interactive than just watching a screen. The user interface itself looks clean and professional. It is very modern and easy on the eyes. You will not spend 20 minutes fumbling through menus trying to figure out how to pair your device. The Bluetooth sync is almost instant for most compatible hardware. It is not all perfect though. There are some clear growing pains to consider. Some people report annoying login issues or the app hanging at random times. Sometimes the long-distance connection drops out when you least expect it. You have to remember this is an evolving platform. The developers are constantly pushing out updates. This means things are always in a state of flux. One weird quirk involves the intensity levels. Some users find that the custom DIY mode is not quite as powerful as the default settings. It feels a bit throttled for some reason. That might be a bit of a letdown if you prefer maximum power. But if you value variety, you have music modes and voice control to play with too. You can use the rhythm of a song to drive the entire experience. That is a level of customization that was out of reach just a few years ago. It is a robust tool for anyone who wants total control. Just keep your expectations in check regarding the minor software bugs. It is a work in progress, but it is a fascinating glimpse into the future of digital connection. It is about removing barriers and making digital interactions feel tangible. You have to be patient with the development cycle as they iron out the kinks. New features are added regularly. This turns your phone into the ultimate control center. The design is sleek and does not feel like a cheap product. If you value flexibility, this is a very strong contender. You get to decide exactly how the experience unfolds. You are no longer settling for a few basic speeds. You are the architect of the entire session. That is the real power of this software. It puts the user in the driver's seat and keeps things fresh.